What's up, YouTube? Collectibles here, and today we're gonna unbox Sailor Moon. What's your name again?
Sailor Moon.
Oh, SHFiguarts Sailor Moon.
Showing you the art on the box. If it can focus.
Have you finished the anime?
I seen it. I got to. Yeah, I think I did finish it.
All right, well let's unbox her. SHFiguarts, Bandai, and Tamashii Nation.
Tamashii Nation. Those are a lot of hands. That's more hands than the Dragon Ball.
God, that is a lot of hands.
4? No.
She has a lot of
faces
signs.
too.
She has 4 or 5 with the face on her.
Well, and the hands that she has on her too.
Dang, let me see the box.
And she comes with a stand.
Where do we get this one at?
Toys R Us.
Oh yeah, we got our Toys R Us big sale, guys. She is originally $54.
I got her for $30.
Yeah, 38.
Yeah, 38.
38, and it's like 40% off right now. So I'll rush. If you're a collector like we are, we always rush down there before it closes. They seem to be running out of stuff. Hopefully next week I can get the Batman.
Does this have tape on it or something?
Did they tape it on there?
No. The hands are double layered was the thing. Whoa. Oh, her hair comes with a wrapping. It's pretty cool. And she comes with the stand. Let's see if I didn't show you the stand. Took it out of the wrapping. Pretty. Says Sailor Moon with a moon on there with designs. That's weird. Oh, never mind. I found it. It's down here. I was looking for the stand. Ooh. I like the way they did it. They put it right here. Just like whenever...
Yeah, that's awesome.
Because they don't do that on the Dragon Ball Z.
No, they don't. Did they give us even stands for the Dragon Ball Z ones? No. Man, they're bugs.
Only for the model kits.
Oh, yeah.
But they didn't put model kit on the Gundam. I mean, yeah, they didn't put this. And it has joints right there. You can make a lot of joints.
That's awesome.
I wish they did this for the Dragon Ball SH. Oh, sorry. A lot of trash. Let's see. The nose smiling is just like normal. Her face, where she looks mad, and I don't know. This one looks like whenever she's mad, looking to the side. She's looking to the side and smiling, right? I don't know. I'm gonna take it out to see. Be careful with this.
That's awesome that they did that. I like that. That's crazy.
I like that they gave me this. Let's see. I can see it better now. No frowning or nothing face. It's just like her mouth is open. She's like yelling or something. Let me get this. It looks like she's smiling and looking to the side. Her screaming face looking to the side. And the face she got on, the smiling one. She already has the peace fingers and the fist.
Nice details on her.
I don't know what these hands are for.
I guess it's just a pose she has. I really haven't seen
Open
much of her.
hands.
I haven't finished that anime yet.
The rock and roll hands. These are the rock and roll ones? Are they?
I think so. Oh no, they're horns.
This is like one of her poses where she has her hands like this. I don't know what it's called. Her pointing at you fingers and the loser fingers too.
She has so many hands. I would still do that with Dragon Balls, but I guess Goku doesn't have that
Fist.
much.
All he does is open his hands and
Yeah,
does that.
so I guess they really don't need to add that much, but
The hand to
because they added.
Hold
Let's see.
the
1,
staff.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I like that they put
7.
that there.
8. That's eight pairs of hands for this SH figure art. And that's pretty cool, but that's 8 more hands you could lose. So you don't want to do that. That's why we always like to keep the box and all that. Especially that's awesome that they gave you a stand and they give you that little extra piece where you can take out the part where you keep your hands and faces.
To
I think
hold
that was
it,
a nice addition.
the peace fingers, the extra. That's all it comes with, and this too. So you can put her like right here.
Sweet. Yeah, for the stand.
And you can move this to open it and close it.
She could stand up on her own though too. Though.
I don't know, she has little feet.
Let's find out. Maybe that's why they had to add the stand. But let's see. Because her hair. We got her up. I mean, let me give you guys a better view. There she is. Oh. I still haven't found out how it ends, but the details on her are pretty much just like the show. I actually have see if I can get it into the camera view. Oh, I knocked it down, but it's okay. Look, if you guys can compare. She looks just like she does on the show, on the anime, on the drawing of her. And there's her hand. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, yes, pretty much the same color, the blue. I guess just the camera angle's not showing you, but it looks just the same on the.
I got the same pose.
And we got the same fuzz. Look at them. All right. Well, that was Sailor Moon. And her name is actually Crystal. Sailor Moon Crystal.
I just popped off the leg.
A nice action figure. Oh, snap. The leg pops off.
Yeah, they're on the ball joint. Double jointed knees. Ball joint feet. They say that she doesn't have that pivot toe right here where you can like bend the toe. And all the other SH has it. Ball jointed hands, 360.
Maybe because her feet are so small so she can stand up better.
double jointed elbows. She can go up, her hand can go up that far. She can move her head however you want. But she barely looks up. She can look down.
Yeah.
Her hair's not in the way either.
No, that's not her.
You pop off the hair right there. Let me get this off camera.
Face is a little tight.
Oh. Here's the other face sculpt.
Nice details. Like Bandai SHFiguarts never freaking fail. They're just nice figures to have if you're a collector like us.
I like the faces where they look serious, almost, with their like mouth just like in a line straight, like that. I don't know. Huh? Oops. Well, her head sculpt is different than the other SHFiguarts or the model kits. Can't put it on her. There we go. I got her. Almost. There you go.
Nice articulation. Great details. The color's great. It's amazing you get 8 hands.
Her hair has a ball joint.
Her hair does have a ball joint, so you can flip it around however you want it. It comes with a stand. And I remind you that the Dragon Ball Z ones we get don't come with a stand, and that would be great. So you wouldn't have to buy that extra stand unless you wanted to do an extra pose or something. But that'd be great. SHFiguarts Dragon Ball Z's would come with that. Unfortunately, they don't.
Or the Naruto ones.
Or the Naruto ones. And we freaking love those. And we love this one too. I'm starting to like the Sailor Moon brand more SHFiguarts because they come with stands.
I like the model kits of Dragon Ball. I just like to build to distract me. Just like I got her on the stand.
Yeah. Which one holds her?
These right here.
Oh, this one right here, yeah. You guys can see it better. Put it right there.
I just like to build. I built the Gundam to model kit. Let's compare the size.
Well, the Gundams are smaller. This isn't SHFiguarts, so.
No, it's almost the same exact size. Wait, see?
That's a model kit though, so.
Yeah.
That's a nice model kit. It's actually one of my favorite model kits. But let's get on to Sailor Moon. All in all, she's a great figure. Again, guys, we always love to keep the box. D-backs.
Hey, look, it's me. Peace out.
Just to keep everything. So, it's the Collector Brothers, and stay tuned in because we are we doing another video today?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, we do actually have another Bandai action SHFiguart for you guys coming up. So stay tuned in to all your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys think about Sailor Moon. Thank you guys. Have a nice night.